back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another travel vlog. This is the trip we're taking. Me and Jia are taking a trip together after so long, just the both of us. I am so excited. I cannot wait. We are going to Chiang Mai and Bangkok. And if you've not seen my prep vlog for this trip, go watch that before. And we are going to Chiang Mai first. So excited. None of us have been to Chiang Mai before, so this is even more exciting, and we love Thailand, you know that. And it's my first time. It's also my first time in Bangkok, so I am excited. I don't want to talk much in this vlog. Let's go. This is my outfit. I love it. It's this quad set. It's not a quad set, it's just basically pants and a matching jacket with it. I got it from Westside. And now let's go. We are on the airport. I love this sight of on the airport. After so long, guys. And we have finished all the important things, and now we are going to eat a pizza. A great start to the
Bro,
trip.
I am so hungry. Like I'm only thinking about food right now.
Riya has been saying that since we entered.
Yeah, I'm so
Then what
hungry.
are we eating, sis? What are we eating? We are gonna eat a pizza.
Yeah.
And when we get up, I'll show you our outfits. They are synced, but they are not synced. And I don't know how this is happening.
It's actually
every
so
single time.
perfect.
Yeah, it's like we discussed the theme,
But
but we did not.
yeah, we did. But the theme is airport athleisure.
Yeah, airport lounge.
Yeah, airport lounge. Guys, we went in the VIP this thing.
We did not.
We went in the VIP check-in line.
We saw us and they're like, "Oh, ma'am, you cannot go in the normal line.
You have to go in the
deserve to
VIP."
go in the VIP
Guys, the
line."
immigration guy became our best
Oh
friend.
shit!
Are you like?
I was first in the line and I went and he asked me questions about why are you going. Then I said holiday trip. Then he's like, आप trip पे जा रहे हो तो आप पढ़ाई नहीं करते? Then I'm like, नहीं, I am a content creator and all. And he's like, college नहीं गए? I said we went to college. And he's like, ये कौन है? And I'm like, दोस्त है. And then he literally asked both of us literally everything about content creation.
Everything.
क्या कंटेंट बनाते हो, कहाँ बनाते हो, कैसे बनाते हो, कितने पैसे कमाते हो?
यहाँ did you tell them where we're going already?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो then बैंकॉक में क्या बनाएंगे, कैसे बनाएंगे, लायन के साथ बनाएंगे, टाइगर के साथ
हम
बनाएंगे?
नहीं बनाएंगे वो सब. And then he also told us कहाँ देख सकता हूँ, and we told him our name and maybe he'll follow us.
Maybe he will.
But he was nice, not in a troubling way. He was very sweet. He wanted to know.
Yeah. He was very supportive actually. Finally.
It's a date part 1.
Will we go on a second date? We don't know.
Let's see
Let's see.
where
How
this
it goes.
vlog takes us, where this trip takes us. Are we going on a date? Waiting to board our flight. I think we should board anytime soon.
Yeah, we should if it's on time.
It said it was on time.
Yeah.
And it was khali when we came and now it's packed.
I'm sleepy. We can go
I
on
was
time.
sleepy.
You're not
first.
sleepy anymore?
I am still.
Yeah.
But you were not that time.
No, I'm sleeping. Like it's like, you know, you're fed and then you need to sleep. It's me right now.
We could sleep.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's comfortable for us to sleep. We have made it.
Hello.
Yay.
At the moment, the seat next to us is empty. Let's hope it
That's
stays there.
great. When we went to Thailand for the first time, we got an empty seat.
And then Kanchi was lying down and sleeping, and there was turbulence, and then she woke up like that, and she was like,
But there's always turbulence in Thailand.
even Vietjet will have it. For sure. They started talking in Thai.
In Thai or in Vietnamese?
No, this is Vietjet Air, na? Oh, this is Vietjet Thai.
We are in
Oh
Bangkok.
my god, what about the meal?
What? And now we are gonna go on a second flight and we've got all our goods, but now the security after the
Yeah, guys, who does
food
this?
thingy.
That's what. So we saw so much food and we were like, okay, now we have to go straight to our gate. But no, we don't.
So we are trying to finish this.
Kanchi got a what is
High
it?
tea.
Yeah, and it's very good actually.
It's good.
And I got a iced cafe latte from McDonald's and look at the packaging.
Even this food
It looks so good.
And this is a small size. It's my face ka size. And then we got like some cake and some Swiss roll and yummy things. But hopefully we can eat them
You
actually.
should have seen Kanji's face when she saw milk cake.
Guys, we made it.
What
to
a
our
coincidence.
hotel. Yeah, come. And our hotel looks so good. Bella Nara Chiang Mai. Look at it.
Oh, so cute.
Wow, no one's there. And look at it. Bro, I love the architecture.
It's a vibe, huh?
It is a vibe.
But imagine if it's swimming here, then everyone can see.
See you. But like, I don't think there are people. But she said it's fully
It's
booked.
fully booked, yeah.
Wow. That while we wait for our room to be ready, we have come to
The Moon Cafe.
the Moon Cafe. We walked here. It was like 3 minutes.
Yeah,
Why not? It was a 3-minute walk, and it's nice and sunny. Look at the sun on here.
Guys, I love this sound.
Yeah, and we ordered a salad. Ria ordered a salad, and I ordered a grilled
Kanchi
cheese.
never lets me order a salad. It always makes us so like, oh, you're ordering a salad. But I ordered.
Oh my god. Eat this. Beast it. You need to beast it.
How?
Guys, my sandwich is also here. That looks good. Cheese on top also this.
Oh my god, really?
We have made it to our room finally, and look at it. It looks so cozy, and yet, like, I love the interior. The black and white together is looking so good. Look at that. Then we have a table here, a little sofa. Open that. Oh! But we don't. Okay, the swimming pool.
Yeah,
is
it's a pool view.
yeah. This is this is so pretty, love it. And then we have our bathroom right here, which is also so good. I love this. And the shower area. Pretty. Everything is pretty well.
It's such a vibe.
Yeah. It is a
It's such a
vibe.
vibe.
Loving it.
Yeah. Like I feel like I'm somewhere else, you know, like it's
Yeah.
not giving like basic hotel.
It's not basic, it's unique. That's why we booked it. We have showered, slept, ate, everything. And now we are ready. I will show you my outfit properly outside, but we are going, I think, to a park. Apparently, Chiang Mai has really pretty parks and they all look like really good. They have lakes and stuff. So I think that should be interesting. We want pictures, videos, so we're gonna go there and then maybe find a cute place to eat somewhere or go to a market, something like that. And obviously, you're gonna come along. Yeah. And Yagurani is getting ready here. Doesn't this look so pretty? We are out and about. Walking. Wow, I love this.
Things feel better once you've like showered and put on.
Yeah. Showered, slept, ate.
Yeah. Needed everything. We should get a coffee.
Oh my god.
What?
Lavender flowers.
That's actually so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a private house.
Oh damn. The person who lives here is quite rich. Entered our first 7-Eleven of the trip.
Hey, see the mix.
Should I try this? This is the
Banana.
viral.
You wanna try it?
Banana milk. I can have it. Come, we can take these two. We are waiting for a grab. Why is it taking so much time? I think Bangkok wouldn't take time because there would be so many. There would be so many.
Yeah, there are
more
many
cars.
more.
Sir,
There are many more. But that's 3913.
yeah. Stop.
That's crazy.
We came in this cab to the airport.
Yeah,
From the airport. Huh?
This BYD 39.
Yeah. Guys, the weather has flipped.
How can it be so extreme? It's so cold.
It's so cold and look at the sunset. I don't know if you can see with the sky.
That may harm you and your loved ones.
So many pretty
Only
flowers.
persons that in a lifetime for the time.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Hey, do you think there's gonna be some show, some light show or something?
I think they're just sitting because they're couples in love.
Guys, they have lit up everything. I think it's for Christmas or I don't know if they do this in general.
No, there's a snowman in the middle.
Look, we're gonna go there and see how it is. I just wish we had reached here earlier. Now.
Yeah, like even half an hour earlier would have been.
Yeah, it's okay. We have other parks to go to. We are gonna enter this space now and see. I think near the blue light we should. And this was also free. There was no.
There was no entry.
Yeah, there was no entry fee. Chaliom Park. But here, yeah,
What?
here look.
Yeah, it's crazy. Should we take pics here?
Yeah, we can. That's the view. And that's us having Cheetos on this table. A cute little cafe or like something like that.
We put that Christmas thing here. See the roof of this thing. Did you see it?
Oh! So cute!
The whole park is lit and it looks so good. Like everything is twinkling. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come here, Riya. Gurnani.
Yeah.
They literally have a night market in the park itself.
Crazy.
Like, and it's huge. This is just,
bubble tea.
yeah. Have a look, and we are craving something warm today because the weather is giving winter.
It has literally changed pace.
Yeah,
The weather.
if you saw in the starting of the vlog, it was
Sun.
sunny.
I was baking in the sun in
Yeah.
the cafe.
What is
Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Getting hot cocoa for me. Oh, look at that.
It looks insane.
That's not hot though. That's
No, it's cold. But it looks too good. I want to try it and see if I like it, then I'll get a second. But Kanji can be the tester.
I have to be the risk taker.
Yeah.
We are trying to have the hot cocoa.
Burnt my tongue.
It is very hot.
It's yum though.
Yeah, but now you'll feel warm. You won't feel cold anymore.
Holding this is nice.
And guys, time to eat the iconic Nutella roti. Guys, we made it to our second day.
Oh yeah. Congratulations.
Yes. We are at an Italian place called Why Not in Niman, Chiang Mai, and it looks so pretty. There's actually the outdoor is even prettier, but we are freezing, so we are sitting inside. Look at it. I'll show you the outside when we go out. But we are gonna have pasta, bruschetta or garlic bread.
The bruschetta is super nice and warm. And literally you already had cheese.
Oh yeah, I had.
cheese too.
Is it good? Mmm. Good Italian food. The pasta looks so good. And they've given us cheese on the side.
I put for
Wait. And after this meal, we have reached flow state. If you know, you know what that means.
Guys, I also just found out today what this is.
I explained her the meaning of flow state. Look it up.
Kanchi is my Gen Z friend. I'll say again. Kanchi is my Gen Z friend who keeps me in the loop on all the trends. Not like I'm not Gen Z, but still.
I have to. Someone has to. In the couple.
Listen, who do you ship harder? Me and Kanchi or Kanchi and Sai? Say honestly in the comments.
Genuinely say it. I'm keeping this in the video. Comment down below. On the streets of Niman, Chiang Mai. For our mandatory 7-Eleven run before we go
to bed.
Yeah, and guys, we have taken the guts to walk back to the hotel in this freezing weather. I mean, if it was not cold, it
Look
was
at that Christmas tree.
very easy to walk because it's 11 minutes. Patthar. Ooh. I like
we
this
cross?
street. I think we can. Riya is risking. Riya, stop it. No.
I think it's open.
That car was there. You're mad. Guys, you're obsessing over Cheetos. Like, what? But trust me, it tastes different here.
It's so good.
one.
This Cheetos.
It's
Where's
so
corn?
good. It should be on that side. Please have corn. Stop. Ooh. This is my most favorite thing that Riya has introduced me to.
This flavor is. Oh, it's the
This
same.
is a cheese American corn.
Want to take a small packet?
Yeah, small only. Good morning, you guys. This is the next day. I did not vlog after the 7-Eleven, but we did nothing. We came home and went to sleep because we were so tired. Today, I'm gonna go out for breakfast on this pretty area and stuff, and I'm gonna start to get ready now. Riya is still sleeping, so hopefully she wakes up by the time I have a bath and stuff. So yeah, and now I'm gonna put this on charge because it badly needs it. This is my outfit for the day. I love this dress, super pretty, and yeah, it feels so pretty. We have left. Yay! Good morning to Riya.
Good morning. Namaste.
And we are going out for breakfast, and then we're gonna hang out and chill.
And Kanchi's gonna have her first matcha.
Oh, I need it. Guys, we finally took pictures with this private farm. But it looks so pretty. Look at the frame.
Where are
Look
the cows today? Oh my god, yeah. It's the sky. The sky is so blue. It looks edited, but it's not.
I think the cows will come like when it's not that sunny.
Yeah.
Wow. Order. Raspberry matcha and Riya selfie.
My first official ice coffee.
No, you had it in McDonald's.
That was in Bangkok.
Is it good?
I have to have this at least 2-3 times.
Oh, what the f-
You will love it.
I loved it. I actually loved it.
It's so good.
I'll also have it next time.
Look at Kanchi's matcha.
Raspberry syrup, raspberry milk also she added, and matcha ceremonial green.
Kanchi asked for it. I think they were impressed with you now. It looks crazy. Your thumbnail photo should be with this matcha.
Hungry, we've not had anything since morning. It's 12 already.
I'm actually not hungry.
Riya, stop that. She keeps saying she's not hungry. You have to eat something.
Don't drink water.
Bro, I am so hungry.
Nothing is
I
coming
could
out.
just eat everything. We are at a bookstore and it's so cute. We are at One Niman. This is like an open air mall. Look at that. It's gonna be lit up at night, so I think we'll come again. But right now we're going inside the mall, and they have different things here, and it's all lit up for Christmas.
This grass place was supposed to be nice for food.
This
Yeah, I saw it on this thing.
we are having mango sticky rice for the first time in Thailand this time.
You guys can't. She was like,
But y'all couldn't see it.
yeah,
Look.
yeah, it looks cute.
Where is the mango? Fresh. Making a decision if I should have something or no. What do you think, Riya Gurnani?
I think
Lemon tea or something. Hi guys, we are back at the hotel for a quick change. As you can see, wearing warm clothes now because it's gonna get cold. And yeah, it was a fun 1.5 day, and now I'm gonna end the video because the next part of this vlog is gonna be on Riya's channel, so y'all go and watch that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you super soon with the part 3 of this vlog. Bye.